Engineering is a branch of science and technology that deals with the design, building, and use of engines, machines, and structures. So when we talk about engines, basically what comes to our mind is machines, and pretty much engineering is highly related to machinery. Engineering is just like science. It has so many other branches where you have to specialize on them. Those branches, they have different areas of work, different paying scales, and different annual salaries. An engineer is a professional who is involved in inventing, designing, and maintaining a variety of machines, structures, and data systems. Engineers are experts in their fields, creating and inventing constantly. You might want to do engineering because you are studying science at school. Yeah, you can do engineering, but which type of engineering? You might be sitting down at the moment or at the moment of your life thinking of which career in engineering or which area of specialization you want to go in for. In this video, we will make it clear to you, we will give you major areas in engineering, the work that is done, and the requirements. The first one on this list here is aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineers draw on computer science, physics, earth sciences, and maths to design, build, and test flying planes. This profession, which is the aerospace engineering, includes aeronautical engineers who focus on aircraft and astronautical engineers who focus on spacecraft. Here you might be confused. Aircraft and spacecraft. Aircraft travels in air and spacecraft travels in space. Aeroplanes we use for transportation travel in air. It's part of aircraft. Rockets travel in space, part of spacecraft. So these are the two major divisions of aerospace engineering. If you are an aspiring aerospace engineer, I think you have to get into these two areas, decide on which one you want to do. It's worth it. So the second one in this list is chemical engineering. It's a certain type of engineering which deals with the study of operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. Chemical engineers develop economical commercial processes to convert raw materials into useful products. If you want to study chemical engineering, at this moment you have to take chemistry very serious and your mathematics. Mathematics is just universal, it's in everything. You have to take chemistry very serious if you want to be a chemical engineer. Civil engineering is basically a professional discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. Civil engineering includes public works like roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewage systems, pipelines, structural components of buildings, and railways. So basically, the roads we build are designed by civil engineers, then they hand it down to the construction workers, then they do the work to the contractors. Okay, civil engineers make the design. Civil engineers should even know the amount of the budget that should be on a particular project. Like when it's road, they should know the amount of the budget, that the amount of money that should be spent on that road, on building of that road, the design of the road, the banking of the road, just everything. When it comes to bridges, the same thing. So this area, you have to know mathematics very well, and you have to be critical. You have to be accurate. Electrical engineering is an engineering discipline concerned with the study, design, and application of equipment, devices, and systems which use electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. Fields in which you can be employed for electrical engineering is technology, science, exploration, military, and industries. It's the story of soil, water, and air pollution. To solve problems from the study of water, air, and soil. Hydraulics. Let's get down to manufacturing engineering. Manufacturing engineering is basically the branch of engineering that focuses on improving the production of an item. It's basically manufacturing engineering.